Here is a system of linear equations. Which would be more helpful for solving the system? Adding the two equations or subtracting one from the other? The y coefficients are opposites, so if we add the equations, we would eliminate the y variable, and then we could solve for x. Let's test it out by adding the equations. 2x plus 6x equals 8x. And, as we saw already, when we add 1/2 y and negative 1/2 y, we get 0. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Next, dividing each side of 8x equals 12 by 8 yields x equals 12/8, which reduces to 3/2. So x equals 3/2. Next, we need to solve for y. To do that, we can substitute 3/2 in for x in either equation. Let's select the first one. 2 times 3/2 equals 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 divided by 1/2 equals 8. So y equals 8. The solution to the system is x equals 3/2 and y equals 8. We can write this as the ordered pair 3/2, 8.